If you're looking at giving your concrete floors a nice modern look, then painting them is a terrific way to transform your space. Hi, I'm Nathan, and this is how you paint concrete floors. Let's get into it. Before you start, it's important that you prep the floors properly. To check for a previous coating, pour some water in a couple of spots and leave it for a minute or so. If the water beads on top, it means it's been previously coated. Depending on the product you're using, you may need to take back an existing coating by grinding it back. This will be determined by the coating system you use and the conditions of the existing coating, so it's best to refer to the product's instructions. In our case, we don't need to remove the previous coating. Now pressure wash the entire area to remove any dirt or loose material. Mix your concrete cleaner in a bucket according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, grab a stiff bristle broom and give the floors a good wash using a concrete cleaner. Then let it sit for about 15 minutes, but ensure that the concrete doesn't dry out. In instances where you have bare or uncoated concrete, you'll need to use an etcher following the product's instructions to prepare your surface for priming. For heavily stained surfaces, the area may need multiple cleans. Before washing the cleaner off, target any stubborn stains. Rinse off using a high pressure washer. Once clean, let the floor dry completely before moving on. Now it's time to prime the floor. So in this case, the concrete has been previously coated, so we're going to spot prime in areas where the coating is lifted and use a pre-coated primer for the rest of the area. Using a brush, cut into the walls where you can't roll. Then using a roller with an extension pole, apply a concrete primer to the entire surface. Make sure to work in small sections and spread the primer evenly. Now let the primer dry for the recommended time on the packaging, which is typically about a couple of hours, but it's always good to double check. Now the primer's dried, we're ready to paint. Concrete paint is specifically designed for this surface, so make sure to grab the right one. Start in the corner of the area and work your way out, using a roller for large areas and a paintbrush for any edges or tight spots. Just like with the primer, apply the paint in thin, even coats and let it dry between coats. You may need 2 to 3 coats for a nice, even finish. And there you have it. Now your concrete floor is painted and looking as good as new. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.